Sweet Sour Soya Chunks. Hi family and friends, welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today's recipe is vegetarian cooking. I am using soya chunks or meal maker. This is 100 gram soya chunks. Boiled in hot water, added salt, then rinse for a few times in cold water and squeeze the water out. I am going to use this mixed flour. You can get it in supermarket or Kentucky flour too. I am using 3.5 tablespoons of this flour to marinate the soya chunks. Mix a little water, coat it well and keep aside. And the rest of the ingredients are 1 tablespoon ginger smashed, 1 tablespoon garlic chopped, 1 tomato sliced, 1 onion cut up and sliced, few curry leaves, they are dry but okay, 1 tablespoon pure chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, juice of 1 lime, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 2 or 3 tablespoons hot and sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. You can add sugar if you want, and salt to taste. Heat sufficient oil in a pan and fry the marinated soya chunks in slow fire. Fry till crispy and roasted. Now it is almost done. I'll off the stove. This is how it looks. Using the same pan, leave some oil and remove the rest. Next, fry the garlic and the onions. Followed by ginger. Add curry leaves and tomatoes. Saute well till all are roasted. Now add chili and turmeric powder and mix well. Add salt and garam masala. Add a little water. Add chili and tomato sauce and the lime juice. Add little more water. Now add the soya chunks and coat it well. Now you can off the stove. This is the sweet and sour soya chunks. It can be eaten with chapati, rice or anything you like, even bread. It goes well with soji, coconut. Soji is a coconut soup. It's famous in Sri Lanka. Mix it with rice. Add the soya chunks, cucumber. It's simply delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.